Facing the rapidly changing environment, hygienic control management is becoming more and more important nowadays, especially for food processing, pharmaceuticals, cleanroom, and even outdoor or semi-outdoor HMI control or kiosk applications. Wincomm innovated the WTP series, designed for hygienic control solutions. Equipped with various processor platforms and more panel sizes, from 10-inch to 24-inch, for customers to choose from. With a round angle design, there's no gap between the touch panel front and back cover, avoiding residual contamination. Leveraging stainless steel housing benefits, it is non-toxic, anti-corrosion, anti-oxidation, avoiding bacteria growth, 100% recyclable, and thus makes it easy to clean at a low maintenance cost in the long-term life cycle. To avoid touchscreen accidental operation and to save time, WTP series support a touchscreen on-off function button. Touch can be disabled during the cleaning procedure and makes it convenient to use. Most hygienic control procedures require wearing gloves. Therefore, we provide an abrasion-resistive touch surface with high-resolution color display to extend transparency to secure smooth operation flow while wearing gloves. All products are 100% vacuum pressure verified before delivery, which simulates the same IP-grade scenario at end-user sides. 100% waterproof and dustproof guarantees no leakage. Default IP rate is IP66-69K. Per customization configuration, the same structure can also meet IP67, which can withstand high-pressure water jet, washing up to 80 degrees Celsius to support disinfecting standard requirements. Furthermore, the AC/DC power adapters are IP68 grade and robust. No electricity leakage during operation procedure. With selected components, WTP wide temperature series could be operated up to 60 degrees Celsius and down to -20 degrees Celsius. To suit various environments, the design features a unique downward I/O design to save installation space. The M12 waterproof input-output design is upgraded to stainless steel for better acid resistance. The latest USB 3.0 is supported. Various extended cable solutions provided fulfill different requirements. Wireless solution with PCB-type antenna with a sturdy cover makes it easy to clean and safe. Waterproof speakers for hygienic control communication are optional. Furthermore, WTP series provides a COM port to support power to operate peripheral devices, such as barcode scanners. A second HDD expansion for all WTP series secures data backup, making it ideal to edge computing. Vandal-proof IK08 design enhances the long-term usage, and we created a unique flexible external cable gland design to maximize I/O combinations to fulfill all different applications. Installation optional kits, including wall mount frame and table mount stand, are available, and customization service for panel mount or open frame design. All Wincomm stainless steel panel PC series are CE, VCCI, and FCC Class B certified to be applicable not only for industrial environments, but also for home, office, laboratory, and hospital to ensure users' health and safety. Beyond the indoor environment, we provide these WTP wide temperature series with a sunlight readable solution for ease of use in outdoor and semi-outdoor environments. A preheating control system has been added for operation under low temperature, and an intelligent thermal control to optimize computing performance under high temperature. A high brightness display with optical bonding ensures it is sunlight readable. Plus, the auto-dimming design automatically adjusts display brightness for nighttime use and to save utility cost. To avoid water condensation, a smart ventilation design best suits outdoor environments. To extend the outdoor environment design advantage, Wincomm innovates a better thermal design versus quality management to meet C1D2, ATEX Zone 2, and IECEX certification, most suitable for oil drilling, gas, and chemical industries. These brand new explosion-proof panel PC, WTPE series, are designed with Intel Core platform with rich I/O, which are even swappable in hazardous areas. And we are confident to provide the best design and manufacturing service to overcome rugged environment requirements. Wincomm, is dedicated to develop application-ready e-platform with longevity and stable operation to satisfy various customization and ODM applications. We currently have won not only the Taiwan Excellence Award for years, but also Best Choice Golden Award at Computex in 2015 and 2018. Additionally, Intel selected Wincomm as the best market-ready solution partner in Asia-Pacific in 2020. And we're proud to have achieved continuous, significant growth. Wincomm Design deserves your trust.